Hi, I'm Simon Coulson. I'm the project manager here at Mohawk's Additive Manufacturing Innovation Center. We work with students from our engineering program and local businesses to support them in applied research projects. Here in our lab, we're focusing on materials development, specifically for direct metal laser sintering. This is technology that uses metal powders to produce 3D printed parts through additive manufacturing. We're able to work with materials ranging from aluminum to titanium and even stainless steel. We were one of the first post-secondary educational institutes in Ontario to have this technology, and also the second within Canada. As a result of this, we've developed a world-class team with hands-on experience that allows us, our Tsunami partners, to de-risk the adoption of this technology and to further grow their businesses. Partners are able to come to us with a problem, and we work with our students and our faculty here at the college to help support them in finding solutions. A great example of this is we had a local partner come to us that wanted to produce high-quality, low-volume components. We had suggested the use of selective laser sintering. This is a plastic powder-based system as opposed to metal, as it was able to provide superior mechanical properties and a superior surface finish compared to other additive manufacturing processes. Our team of students here at the Additive Manufacturing Innovation Center at Mohawk College was able to help demonstrate and commercialize the use of this technology for the production of their components. Following the conclusion of this project, we were able to introduce them to another Tsunami partner who was able to produce these components in mass production volumes for them. Through this relationship, they were able to both grow their businesses and further the adoption of additive manufacturing throughout Southern Ontario.